illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to take a trip to the beach and I am going to teach you how to draw a conch shell character. So go ahead and get your drawing supplies together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our conch shell illustration, and this one is so much fun. Okay, we're actually going to do this in waves. So we're going to start up top with a curved line like this, and we're going to repeat this same type of pattern. Just going to make it a little bit longer every time. Connect the top one to the bottom one. Okay, again. So we're at 1, 2, 3. This next one I want it to be very wide. This is where we're going to put the face of our conch shell. And connect it. One more here. And connect it. And this last one will be the largest section of all. So this time we're going to come down a lot further, but still that same curve technique, and come down to meet it. And then we'll move back up top here and add that top layer. Now this conch shell is going to be sleeping pretty peacefully. So we're going to do some sleeping eyes, which are 2 letter U's. 1. 2. I'm going to put eyelashes on mine. So I'm going to add 2 eyelashes to the top of each U here. And because this conch shell is sleeping so peacefully, I'm going to have it smiling in its sleep there. Now we're also going to add the indication of sand by just doing a few clusters of dots along the background area here. There's no set number of these or anything, or placement. You just want them to cluster in seemingly random spots. And we'll add some of these dots in color here in a minute. So what we have here is the outline of our conch shell character. So we're going to move into the color portion next. So you guys are free to grab any type of crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Alright illustrators, there we have our conch shell illustrations. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our conch shell characters. Great job today. I hope that I will see you all next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!